Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix PUBG crashing and freezing on Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to open a file explorer. Go to this PC, local disk C, users folder. Now you just need to double click on your username. If you don't know your username, then select this start icon. In here you can able to see your username. After knowing that, double click on it. Now you just need to select the view tab and select show and check mark this option guys, hidden items. And now you can able to see app data folder. Double click on it. Local folder, TSL game folder, saved folder, config folder, Windows no editor folder. Double click on it. Now you just need to select game user setting file and game user settings.ini backup and game user settings.ini origin. You just need to right click on these three files and select delete option. And now you just need to close stuff here. Go to Steam, right click on the PUBG PC and select properties. Select installed files and select verify integrity of game files. After getting verified done, the deleted files will be recreated guys. Now you can try launching the game and check if the problem solved or not. Second step, you just need to open up Steam, right click on the PUBG PC and select properties, select install files and select browse. You just need to double click on the TSL game folder, binaries folder, Win64 folder and find TSL game, the big file. As you can see, just right click on it and select properties, select compatibility tab and check mark disable full screen optimizations, and now select change high DPI settings. You just need to check mark use these settings to fix scaling problems and I signed into Windows and check mark overwrite high DPI scaling behaviors. Click on this drop down and select application and select OK. Select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can launch the game directly from here and check if the problem solved or not. Third step, you just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select gaming. On right side select game mode. You just need to turn off this game mode guys. After that go to Windows Update. Select check for updates. If you have any pending update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your operating system up to date guys. After that you just need to scroll down and select advanced options. Scroll down and select optional updates. In here if you have any updates available, then you just need to check the boxes and select the download and install option. After that just close stuff here and try launch the game. Fourth step, you just need to update graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users use the GeForce Experience. If you not have GeForce Experience, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users use the AMD write-down software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any update available, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date guys. After that just close stuff here. Fifth step, you just need to adjust graphics settings. Excessive graphics settings can overload your system. You just need to open PUBG and go to settings and go to graphics. Set graphics quality low or medium and disable VSync and set lower resolution and texture quality. Disable anti-aliasing if it's causing performance issue. After that you will no more facing this problem again guys. Sixth step, you just need to disable overlays. Overlays from third-party apps like Discord, GeForce Experience can cause crashes. Disable these overlays in their respective settings. Seventh step, you just need to adjust virtual memory. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type advanced system settings. Click on open it. Under performance select settings. Select advanced. Under virtual memory select change. Uncheck automatically manage paging file size for all drives. In this drive list, you just need to select the drive where the game is installed. After that, you just need to select a custom size. Now you just need to find how much RAM installed on your PC. To know that, go to search menu and type about your PC. Click on open it. In here, you can able to see how much RAM installed on your PC. After knowing that, just to close stuff here. Now you just need to check my video description for these values used in my video. Installer size and maximum size. Copy the values depends on your RAM. In my case, I have 16 GB RAM, so I am copying this value. Paste it in installer size, and the maximum size same thing. Copy depends on your RAM. After pasting it, select the set option. Now the value should be set in under paging file size. Now select OK. Select apply and OK. Select OK option. Select the restart now option and restart your PC. Eighth step, you just need to disable unnecessary background apps. To do this, you just need to right click on the taskbar and select task manager. End unnecessary apps that are consuming CPU or RAM. Just by right click on them and select end task. After that, just close stuff here and try launching the game again and check if the problem solved or not. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the PUBG PC crashing and freezing on Windows PC problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.